Tutorial Stripe for beginners, how to use Stripe. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into Stripe, one of the most popular online payments processors used by businesses, freelancers, and e-commerce stores around the world. Whether you're just starting out or need help understanding how to set it up and use it for your business, this video is your complete beginner's guide of using Stripe. We'll cover how to create an account, how payment works, how to integrate Stripe with your website or store, and the best practices to manage your account securely and efficiently. Let's get started. Now, Stripe is a payment processing platform that allows you to accept payments online and in mobile application. Simply, it is trusted by major companies like Amazon, Shopify, and Lyft. But it's also perfect for small businesses, freelancers, and startups. Stripe handles credit and debit cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay, ACH bank transfers, and even recurring payments. Now, what makes Stripe stand out is its developer-friendly API, customization, and global payment capabilities in over 135 countries or currencies. So, all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Now, to simply create your account, you just want to navigate through their official website, which is stripe.com. Click on the Start Now button after typing in your email address right here. And basically right after that, you then have to enter your email, full name, password, and your country. From there, you then have to set up your payment settings and preferred currency. Basically, you have to verify your email and you want to follow the onboarding steps. You want to add your business details, add your bank account to receive your payouts, and basically once your account is set up, you'll land on the Stripe dashboard, which gives you full control over your payments, customers, and lastly, reports. And simply right after, it will then take us to the Stripe dashboard. Now your Stripe dashboard is the heart of your operations. From here, you can simply view your balance and payouts, you can manage transactions and refunds, you can add products and pricing, create payment links or invoices, or monitor customer activity, and lastly, you can review, report, and analytics. Now, you'll also see the important sections like developers for API keys and integrations and settings for compliance, branding, and more. Now, you can then go ahead and add or accept payments in here. Now, there are three popular ways to basically accept payments on Stripe. Number one is the payment links. You can easily create links to sell products or services with no coding required. Now, you can also do this with invoices. You can send professional invoices to clients. It is complete with due date and reminders. And lastly, you can basically accept payments through the website integration. If you have a website or e-commerce store, you can simply integrate Stripe directly using tools like Shopify, WooCommerce, Wix, Squarespace, and more. You can also do this through the custom HTML sites using the Stripe's embedded checkout for API. Now, Stripe also supports subscription billing. It's perfect for SaaS businesses. Now, let's talk about the Stripe payment method. Stripe allows you to accept multiple types of payments such as credit and debit card, Apple Pay and Google Pay, buy now pay later with Klarna or Afterpay. You have C or ACH bank transfers for US, you have SEPA direct debit for EU, and lastly, you can then accept crypto payments via third-party tools. You can basically enable or disable payment methods from the payment settings section in your dashboard. So you can just navigate through your payments right here. Once again, you have disputes. For your payment disputes, you have your own radar, which is going to be the overview of your payments. You have your payment link. And lastly, you have your terminal. Basically, to get started, you can just navigate through your payment link. Click on the Create New Payment link. And from here, you can then go ahead and customize this the way you want to. You then have your product or subscription, or you can choose the customers choose what to pay. And so from there, let's talk about some security and fraud protection. Basically, Stripe uses advanced fraud protection tools like Radar, which helps you detect and block suspicious transactions automatically. You can also set custom fraud rules, use 3D Secure 2 authentication, you can require address verification, and you can get real-time alerts. Stripe is PCI DSS compliant, which means it handles sensitive customer data securely so you don't have to. Now let's talk about managing payouts and reports. Now Stripe deposits money through your bank account on a rolling payout schedule, usually every 2 to 7 days depending on your country and account type. In the payout section, basically this one, you can then go ahead and view completed and pending payouts, track transaction fees, download monthly summaries, or generate custom reports for accounting. Now, you can only go ahead and navigate through the payout section by navigating or confirming your identity here on Stripe. So to basically activate the payments, you can just navigate through the home settings, click on the activate payments option, and from here, you then have to basically verify your business with business type, business detail, public details. You can then add your bank, secure your account, add extras, and you can review and finish your verification. Now, by doing that, you will be able to unlock the full features of Stripe right here. Now, let's talk about some Stripe support and tools. Basically, Stripe has amazing support and documentation that you can access live chat and email support. You can use the Help Center or Developer Docs. You can export pre-built tools like Stripe Checkout, Stripe Elements, billings and subscription, tax and identity verification. There's also Stripe Atlas for launching US companies globally and Stripe Connect for marketplaces. Now let's talk about some pros and cons of using Stripe. Now, for the pros, it's easy to use for beginners and developers. They support a wide variety of payment methods. They have global coverage and multi-currency. They are excellent, they have excellent analytics and customization. And lastly, they are secure with built-in fraud detection. Now for cons. Basically, it requires some tech knowledge for advanced setup. It's not available in every country. And lastly, fees can add up for smaller businesses. Now, that's it for the full beginner's guide on how you can use Stripe. Whether you're a freelancer, an e-commerce seller, or launching an AAAS, Stripe gives you the flexibility and tools you need to accept payments online safely and efficiently. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you'd like more tutorials like this one. And so, thank you for watching.